If you think options trading is complicated or more dangerous than futures, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how options trading on Bybit actually works, why it can be less stressful than futures, and how beginners can start step by step without guessing or gambling. Most crypto traders get stuck trading futures. High leverage, constant stop losses, and emotional pressure destroy consistency. Options are usually seen as something only professionals use, but that's not true. The real problem is that options are explained in a way that's too complex. In this tutorial, I'll explain Bybit options in simple terms so you understand what you're redoing and why you're redoing it. Options give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a specific price before expiration. On Bybit, options are settled in USDT, which means you don't deal with liquidation like futures. You already know your maximum loss before entering a trade. That's one of the biggest advantages. Instead of risking unlimited downside, you define risk first and let the market decide the outcome. Calls and puts explained simply. A call option is used when you believe price will go up. A put option is used when you believe price will go down. You are not buying the asset itself. You are buying a position that benefits from price movement. If the market moves in your direction before expiration, the option gains value. If it doesn't, the most you can lose is the premium you paid. Why traders fail with options? Most traders lose with options because they don't understand time and expectations. Being right on direction is not enough. You need the move to happen within a certain time frame. When traders rush into options without understanding this, they feel confused and frustrated. The goal is not to trade often, but to trade when probability and timing make sense. Bybit Options Overview. Bybit offers a clean and beginner-friendly options platform. You can choose between traditional options and easy options. Easy options simplify the process by removing unnecessary complexity, which is perfect if you're just starting. You trade using USDT, which makes profit and loss clear and easy to track. How? To start options on Bybit. To begin, you transfer USDT into your options account. Once your balance is ready, you choose the asset you want to trade and select an expiration. You then decide whether you want to buy a call or a put based on your market view. Before confirming the trade, you can clearly see the maximum loss and potential payoff. This transparency is what makes options less stressful than leveraged futures. Placing your first options trade. Once you understand calls and puts, placing a trade becomes straightforward. You choose your market, select the expiration that gives price enough time to move, and decide your direction. You enter the trade knowing exactly how much you can lose if you're wrong. There is no liquidation, no margin call, and no sudden surprise. This alone changes how you think and behave as a trader. A simple beginner strategy. One of the easiest ways to start with options is using them for directional trades with limited risk. If you believe price will move strongly up or down but don't want to manage leverage, options give you that exposure. You wait for clear structure or momentum, choose an expiration that fits your idea, and enter with a small premium. If the move happens, you profit. If it doesn't, the loss is controlled. This approach removes overtrading and forces patience. Common mistakes to avoid. The biggest mistake beginners make is trading options too frequently. Options are not meant for constant entries like scalping futures. Another mistake is choosing expirations that are too short. This adds unnecessary pressure and reduces your probability. Finally, many traders risk too much on a single trade because the premium looks small. Always think in percentages, not dollar amounts. Risk management with options. Options reward traders who respect risk. You should never risk money you are not comfortable losing entirely. Keep position size small and focus on consistency, not jackpots. The goal is to survive long enough to learn how price, time, and volatility interact. When you manage risk correctly, options become a powerful tool instead of a source of stress. Why options can be better than futures. Futures exposes you to unlimited downside if you lose control. Options define risk upfront. This makes options especially useful during volatile markets where futures traders get wiped out emotionally and financially. With options, you plan the trade, accept the risk, and let the market do the rest. If you want to start trading options the right way, You can register on Bybit using the link in the description and enter referral code 5OREFUND. This gives you 20% back on trading fees for futures and spot, plus a welcome bonus of up to $30,000. Lower fees and extra bonuses give you more flexibility and better risk control. Check the link below, register now, and start learning options with structure instead of confusion. Subscribe to the channel if you want more clear and practical trading tutorials.